Hello guys, welcome back to Mercedes Lounge. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect your smartphone device to your Apple CarPlay in your Mercedes-Benz. In today's video, we have the all-new 2023 Mercedes-Benz EQS 580 4MATIC SUV with a range of about 285 miles. I'll show you how to enable and configure this system wirelessly using the MBUX infotainment system. Pretty easy to connect your device. In the previous generation, you needed to have a USB cable in order to connect your smartphone to Apple CarPlay. But in today's video, we're going to do that wirelessly via Bluetooth. Let's get started. So to connect your smartphone, all you need to do is go to the home menu, and you have a phone, radio, media, navigation, and EQ menu. Let's tap on the media icon, connect device, which means now we can connect a brand new device. I'll take my phone right here and go to the Bluetooth section, and now I'm going to look for the Bluetooth connection, which shows up right here. That is MBUX 14864. I'm going to tap once on that. It's going to ask me to pair the device. I'm going to pair. I'm also going to disallow syncing of contacts because I don't want all my contact information on this Mercedes-Benz. I'm going to say don't allow. And then I'm going to tap yes right here. And it's now connecting the device. And right off the bat, it has actually connected Apple CarPlay, and it says gives you a data protection notice, accept and start. And let's go back. Once your device is successfully connected, if you go to home menu, there's a new icon here, Apple CarPlay. Press on that, and right now it's mimicking smartphone device. You have maps, and all the other apps that I have on my phone are all showing up here through the Apple CarPlay on the Mercedes-Benz. And that's basically how you connect Apple CarPlay wirelessly on your new Mercedes-Benz. All you need to do is just enable Bluetooth. And that's it. That's how you connect the Apple CarPlay to your Mercedes-Benz. It's fairly easy on the new MBUX infotainment system. This is the second generation. Allows you to connect your Apple CarPlay to your smartphone wirelessly instead of using a USB-C cable or a USB cable. And that's it. If you like the video, subscribe to Mercedes Lounge for weekly videos. Until next time, stay positive guys. Peace.